Claude Sonnet 4.5 came out, Devin, the makers of Devin Cognition, wanted to rewrite Sonnet. So let's look at what Sonnet gave them that made them rewrite. First, the model is aware of its context window. Earlier, the models didn't know about how much with its context getting filled or not, and so it starts behaving differently when the context is full. And so they found a nice trick around to make it believe that the context is still around 200k while exploiting the 1 million context boundary. The model takes a lot of notes, so it's able to externalize its internal context, its in-memory context to file system in terms of changelog or summary, and then use those for the future reference. So this allowed them to remove some of their own memory scaffolding. While they couldn't fully rely on it, it did help them be optimistic that Claude's memory management will take over. The model is pretty good at checking, writing short scripts to check its own work. For example, the React app, it was able to get the HTML page quickly and check its correctness before finishing the task all the way. The other nice thing was that model works in parallel. It can do 2 calls in parallel as opposed to in sequence. That gives you a lot of makes the model seem much faster. And it's a subtle shift, and that also creates a difference in how the software engineering tool Devin is built. Finally, it has sub-agents and context-aware tool calls. That the team isn't too much in favor of using multi-agent system, but sub-agents with proper delegation handled with the tool makes it easier for Devin to exploit them. And finally, they are very excited about the model is aware of its context, and what happens overall is as these tools grow and improve, a lot of scaffolding that was done around them for building software engineering tools, user-friendly applications, that goes away, and the developers can focus more on really building the course user-friendly experience for building software with agents.